Look at the camera. Good morning. We are taking our home on the road for a couple of weeks. Please go inside. We're trying to do things a bit differently on this trip and all future trips from what we've done in the past. Honestly, we've always been so pressed for time on our brief travels in the past that we've overbooked ourselves and we've put in 8, 12, 16-hour days, and drive till you drop has been our traveling style in the past, and we're determined to give that up. So we've planned this trip with short days, from a minimum of maybe an hour and a half drive to a maximum of about 4 hours plus stops, so about a half day. We'll see how that works out for us. Our first stop is in New York State, and our ultimate destination is the Virginia coast, and we are going to visit some family, visit some friends, and attend a family reunion in Delaware on our way back. For all our intention to slow down, this was a quick trip, and most of it happened off camera. We visited some new friends who opened their home to RV campers through a service called Boondockers Welcome, and we spent most of the trip visiting friends and family. But there's one place in particular we wanted to share with you, and that's where we splurged for a campsite with full hookups at Cape Henlopen State Park in Delaware. Good morning. We're at a place called Cape Henlopen State Park in Delaware. It was recommended to us by some fellow RVers that we met at the egg rally a few weeks ago. So it's a huge place, and it would be a great place to explore on a bicycle, which is what a lot of people are doing, and which is kind of what we wish we could do. But we're doing a combination of driving and exploring on foot. This used to be a World War II military base where they looked for German ships off the coast, and there's huge towers where they triangulated for the guns. Although they actually never used the guns, strangely enough. I guess they had no occasion to do that, but they sure were set up for it. So it's a historic place, and there are sand dunes here and a big beach, and we'll try to give you a few glimpses of it. How's the checklist looking, Charles?
Just stow the broom.
I stowed the broom.
Turn off the water pump. All indoor items secured.
Indoor items secured. So, I have to admit something, which is that we're not spectacular yet at this traveling at a slower pace thing. We have managed to keep the hours down for traveling hours each day, but we have had several spots where we pull in one day and leave the next day. Today, we even have a checkout time of noon with a scheduled interview for a work camping job this winter at 1 p.m. So we need to figure out where to eat lunch and have our interview with a cell signal while all of our stuff is now put away and the cats are here in the truck with us. So we'll manage, but we need to fine-tune our travel plans in the future.
Meow. Meow.
Welcome to our new home for an hour and a half. We are in the Home Depot parking lot where we have 3 bars worth of cell signal, which is better than we have at our own mountaintop. So it should work for our purposes.
Yep.
We may still have a learning curve ahead of us for our future and slow RV travel, but I'm happy to report that our interview in the parking lot went very well, and we're looking forward to sharing our travel plans with you very soon.